There is a book called Hare Krishna Transformed by E. Burke Rochford, who is a scholar who, he's retired now, but much of his career was going back to 1970s or early 1980s, was studying ISKCON, especially in America. He made a book called Hare Krishna Transformed. Within that was one chapter on early attempted opposition to feminism within ISKCON by some loyal members of ISKCON. And part of the chapter which deals with that discusses attempts by the anti-feminist camp to get the GBC to act on what was claimed to be, and clearly by any Vaishnav definition, was blasphemy of Srila Prabhupada and of Lord Rama. It didn't mention the whole thing in the book. Some very bad things were said about Srila Prabhupada and about Lord Rama by some decidedly feminist, at that time, members of ISKCON. And there was an attempt by certain anti-feminist members of ISKCON to get the GBC to act on this, which they didn't do. And the author of Hare Krishna Transformed, on page 157 of that book, reports that he interviewed a GBC member about this. And I'm just going to quote what the GBC member said, why they didn't back up. What the blasphemy, the clamor against the blasphemy. Why did they not take action? So the GBC member, who is unidentified, said, quote, "It was politically safe just to ignore them, and we did," unquote. Politically safe. So why is the GBC not listening to the ISKCON India leaders? Because they think it is politically safe to do so. They think they can get away with it.